Alright, hey guys, welcome back to Tennessee Grilling and Smoking. I'm Dustin, this is Little Man Colson, and today is the 13th, Saturday, and it's time to do the drawings. They've got 4 different drawings. We're going to have 4 winners on this one. I hope it's going to be great. Thank you all so much for all the subscribers. Ever since I did this, I think I had 800 whenever I made the first video for the giveaway, and I'm up to 1,200 subscribers, and that is amazing, guys. I can't thank you enough. A lot of you I know are subscribed because of this little guy right here. That video is completely taken off. But then I know I have a lot of cooks in there too, because I've been having a lot of conversations with some new subscribers that just seem like really great guys. So without further ado, let's do it. So wait a second now. All right, guys, we got 4 awesome prizes right here. We've got the cast iron set with the bartender's friend. You got the dicer. Then you got your measuring cups and spoons on that one. Then you got on this one, you got the Smoky Mountain Axe House hat with the Suckle Busters, the lemon pepper. On this one, you got your rotted knife set with your rotted old-fashioned butcher with the Bam habanero. And then the last one, we've got the Smoky Mountain Axe hat. One, the tactical hat, one with his little patch that Velcro's on. You can put what you want on there. And the Greenback Designs cutting board. And it's a serving tray. It's got the handles here. It's really well built. Got the epoxy down the middle. Really cool tray. So I went ahead and I pulled up on commentpicker.com and I typed in the hashtag SuckleBusters, and I've got 37 comments with the hashtag SuckleBusters. So let's go ahead with drawing number 1. It's going to be for the lemon pepper garlic and the Smoky Mountain Axe House. So just hit her up. Let's see what we got. Rah Dawgs barbecue. This guy right here, freaking awesome dude. He's got a killer Instagram, and he's started up his YouTube. He's getting a lot of time. He's getting a lot of great videos on there. I'm going to put his description or his link in my description. But yeah, man, congratulations. I hope you like this. I don't know if you tried it or not, but it's really, really good. Probably the best rub I put down on any kind of fish. So hope you enjoy it. We're going to try to get everything shipped out Tuesday because Monday's a holiday. So Tuesday these will be shipping out to you, and hopefully it won't be much longer. You can try it out, and I look forward to seeing that one of your new videos.
And he has a good sticker.
Oh yeah, he does have a good sticker.
Yeah, it's right here.
Where's it? Yeah, let's see.
We need to show our stickers.
Yeah, you got the Rah Dawgs barbecue right there. All right, man, congratulations. All right, so Nelson, hold on for a second. We got to clear it out. Go,
I know.
roll it up.
I know how.
All right,
I saw you do it.
you saw me do it. There we go.
Bam.
Now this one right here is for the cast iron cleaner, the measuring cups and spoons, the garlic dicer, and the barkeeper's friend. All right, Kels, do your thing. Let me have it for a second. You got it? All right, there we go.
What? Start.
There we go. See who got this. Josh Russell. You know Josh, don't you? All right, Josh Russell. That's my cousin. So, buddy, congratulations. I know you're gonna like his stuff. I know you do a lot of cooking, and well, congratulations, man. Josh ain't got a sticker. We're gonna have to get him to make a sticker. Yes.
Put it on this board.
Well, Josh, I'll see you when I see you, buddy. When I do, I'll have all this to you, man. Thanks a lot for joining in on this contest. I really appreciate everybody that does. So, congrats, buddy. All right, wait a second now. Go ahead and start clearing that one out. There we go. All right, third drawing is going to be for the Suckle Busters, the habanero Bam. Kind of a little bit of a hot rub. Of course, it says it in the name, but it's really, really good. I got the Rada butcher knife, one I use more than any, and then the Rada steak knives. So,
And they're all really good knives.
they are really good knives. All right, let's see who's going to win this one, Cole. Go ahead and scroll down and see who's going to get this one.
Scroll up.
Up.
Down. Up.
There we go. Clicker. See what we got. Timber Hill Redbones. All right. Now these guys right here got some great dogs on their channel. I enjoy watching them. I know you're going to really enjoy this. Huh? Don't know if we do or not, Colson.
That'll be sad.
But hey, I know you're going to really like this. She's got some, like I said, she's got a great channel. I enjoy getting on there and checking it out. She does a little cooking, so hope you like heat. because this right here, great flavor. But you'll really like these knives. So we're going to try to get these things, like I said, shipped out Tuesday.
Wait, is this one in?
No.
Oh,
All right. And go ahead and clear that one out.
okay. Do your thing.
I'll do my thing. All right. All right, for the last one, it's the Tactical Smoky Mountain hat and the Greenback Designs cutting board. So, Dawson, you know what to do. Man Kitchen Recipes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we do have him. He's right here. Check him out. Guy's an amazing cook. Absolutely amazing cook, and I'm really glad he won this.
Okay, let's show.
All right, come here. I'll show you. Here's one of right there he is, Man Kitchen Recipes.
Okay.
He was one of the first people I subscribed to, and he was one of the first people that subscribed to me. He's been moving comments back and forth for a long time now, well, about 8 months or so. And great guy, guys. And everybody that wins, I'm just going to go ahead. I'll put their link, if they got a channel, I'll put their link in the description. Go check them out, show them some love, because they're all amazing guys and women. That Man Kitchen Recipe, he puts out some amazing cuts, guys. He's really good. He's got, I believe he's the one, he's got the Blackstone griddle. He came up with an idea to block the wind from it, a lot cheaper than the store-bought way to do it. Pretty impressive. So, guys, that was all of it. So I really do appreciate everybody. I appreciate all the people that commented and got involved, all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And thank you again to Smoky Mountain Axe House. Tim, he's a great guy. He's up there. He owns the Axe House. Great place to go and have fun. Family friendly. So if you're local, I just suggest you go up there and give that a try. Greenback Designs, thank you for the cutting board and the serving tray. I know he's going to love it. It's just a really quality product, so thank you for that. And for the Country Garden, for the knife sets, Rah is what I use most of the time, and yeah, she's going to really enjoy those too. So thank you again, everybody, and I will see you next time. Y'all have a great day.